To remove the lower carriage of the sliding door of the new V-Class, first open the door and then remove the cover of the lower carriage. Unclip the cable from the holder and unhook it from the lower carriage. Mark the installation position of the lower carriage on the bracket. Now ask a colleague to help you. He must hold the sliding door so in the next step it doesn't fall. Now undo these two screws. Disconnect the lower carriage from the bracket and slide it out of the guide rail. If you install the same carriage again, check the rollers thoroughly. If necessary, replace the carriage. Install in the reverse order. After the successful installation, carry out a functional check of the active end stop of the sliding door. Finally, you use a feeler gauge. Check the gap dimension DC and the transition of the sliding door to the front door.